USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. These buttons are for you and they're free. Do that. And then below the video you'll find a link which says swing like a pro. So click on that link, come to this page right here and join this program after watching these videos if you want to enter and exit with me, okay? Then we have this consultation. If you want to speak to me one-to-one, you can book consultation or you can join my free Telegram. So coming back to the charts here, starting the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, we have made a new high. Okay, so this candle has closed above this high. So we made a new high. Cool. So we are in the uptrend. Delhi, we are F'd up. So Delhi, I have told you many times, this is a touch me not pair. Down, down, down. Did you find any opportunity in this up move here from 1st of May? 1st of May till what? 25th of June? Did you find any pullback in like almost 2 months? Did you find any pullback here where you could even think about entering? No, it's a touch me not fair, okay? Down, 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 up, up, up. Tell me, where will you enter? Tell me. And it's not the first time. It has been happening all this time, you see. There's no opportunity here, and there's no opportunity here. And then before that, if you see, it's zigzag. And then again, this pair doesn't really make sense to me, okay? You see down. Anyway, so let's cut the story short and go back to 4 hour. So we have touched or made a new high in this USD-CAD. And after a new high, pullback has to happen. So let's come back to 4 hour. And we are officially above the EMA. So, well, I can only say that take longs after each pullback. Okay, Delhi is above the EMA as you can see, and 4 hour is also above the EMA. So you have to just look for longs until the price breaks below this EMA somehow. Okay, otherwise just go and trade GBP USD and Euro USD. So if you want to enter and exit with me, then join this program. Till then, subscribe, like and share. Take care.